So we're here today opening what is thought to be an original bag of 1964 Kennedy half dollars. I've never seen an original unopened bag of Kennedy's, so we're hoping that what we have contained in here is truly an unopened bag. I've been doing this a long time, worked at coin shops in the 70s and bought a lot of deals. I did buy an original bag of 1964 pennies once, and nickels, but I've never seen an unopened bag of Kennedy's. So this should be exciting. We'll see what happens, and we'll do it live. So it came in this container, which I'm going to attempt to open here. And we have a canvas bag. And within this canvas bag, we have a really interesting tag. Kennedy has March 19th, 1964. So this would be upon release, and it's sealed. Looks like it's a mint-sealed bag from probably a bank. And the tag also reads Pasadena, California, Heller and Company. First JFK bag. So interesting that we're getting this right now, because JFKs have become increasingly popular due to Rick Tamaska's book on Kennedy's, and he's had a great influence on Franklin's as well. So I think we'll go ahead and open this and see what we have in here. It's very exciting. We should have a drum roll. Okay, we got one shot at this. We should take a look at the seal and the fact that it is, we have this Kennedy halves 1964, March 19th. Looks very official, and it looks authentic to me. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so we have that removed. The moment of truth. I wonder if this is sealed. Ah, it is sealed. So now we have to cut through this. That even more authenticates it, because this is how mid-sealed bags came from in the 60s. So now I have to cut through this. Try not to cut myself and get blood all over these coins. I'm going to try to preserve this bag. Okay, so we can reach in here now. And here we go. And they are, in fact, 1964 Kennedy's. And they are uncirculated. Some of them look really nice. Typical uncirculated Kennedys. Even from original bags, you have some coins that are marked up and a variety of quality. And there you have it. Original bag of 1964 Kennedy's.